Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn about integrating trigonometric function. And then for the last is the substituting t, it is equal to tangent x over 2. So let's see for the explanation. Let's see in here we have the A, B, and C. It is about the triangle. And we know that if we have the tangent x over 2, it is equal to t. So it is half the t and this is half the 1. Of course, this is 1 plus t squared because we can use the Pythagoras theorem. We know that tangent it is sinus over cos, right? So it is equal to t. We can derivative this, so dt over dx. And then derivative sinus x over 2 over cos x over 2 by using the quotient rule, u prime v plus u v prime over v square. So we can get this form. If we have the cos x over 2 square plus sinus x over 2 square, it is equal to 1. So it means that it is cos and this is cos, so it means that it is cos square. Sinus and the sinus in here, so we have the sinus square too. And then this is, we can know that we have the half, and this is like the equal to 1, so we can get the 1 over 2 times 1, and then we have the cos x over 2 square like this, and then we can know that dt it is equal to 1 over cos x over 2 square times 1 over 2 dx. And then from here we can see that remember about the second x square, it is equal to 1 plus tangent x square. So it means that if we have the x over 2 in here, it means that we have the 1 plus tangent x over 2 square, right? And then we have the dt is equal to 1 over 2, 1 plus tangent square x over 2 dx. And then 1 over 2, 1 plus, and then we can know that tangent x over 2 is equal to t, so we can change with t square dx. So we have the dx in here equal to 2 over 1 plus t square dt. And then if we have the sinus in here, sinus is equal to sinus 2 open bracket x over 2. So in here we can know that with double angle sin 2x is 2 sinus x times cos x. So it means that we have the 2 sinus because we have this x over 2, so we can change with x over 2. And then 2 times for make the different form, so we can get with cos square x in here, and this is cos x, because if we eliminate cos x in here and eliminate 1 cos x in here, so we can get the cos x over 2, right? So in here we can get the sinus over cos is tangent, and cos square x over 2, it is we can make the 1 over second x over 2 square. And then we have already know that tangent x over 2 is equal to t, and with using previous, so we can get the 1 over 1 plus tangent x over 2 square. So we can get the sinus x, it is equal to 2 times t over 1 plus tangent x over 2 square. Or we can take the t2 in here. Like same like the cosine, we have the cos 2 open bracket x over 2. So because it is, we have the cosine with double angle cos is 1 minus 2 sinus x over 2 square. 1 minus 2, and then if the sinus x over 2, we can get the sinus square x over 2 and cos square x over 2. And then we can here we have the cos x over 2. If we eliminate this, so we can get this still this function, right? Sinus over cos is tangent, and then cos in here we can make the 1 over second x over 2 square. And tangent in here we can substitute with t, and the second in here we sum with 1 plus tangent x over 2 square. Like before, 2t square, and then tangent we can substitute with t square. So we can get the sinus. If we have the sinus, so we can change with 2t over 1 plus t square. And then if we have the cos x, we can substitute with 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. Okay, let's see in here. This is about the substituting t, it is equal to tangent x over 2. And here you must remember about the formula. If we have the sinus x, it is equal to 2t over 1 plus t square. And then if we have the cos x, it is equal to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. And then if we have the x, it is equal to 2 over 1 plus t square dt. So you must remember about the three formula. And then back to in here, we can get the sinus, it is equal to 2t over 1 plus t square. And then over 1 plus cos x, it is equal to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. And then for the x, it is equal to 2 over 1 plus t square dt. Integrals 2t and 2, it is same with 4t. And then this is over, this is we have the 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. So we can get the 1 plus t square right? And then for the denominator, we can make the same denominator is 1 plus t square. So we can get the 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square from here. So we can get the t square, it is have the dt, the integrals, we have the 4t over 1 plus t square times, and in here we have the 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have the 1 plus t square, so make by times in here, so we can get 1 plus t square over 2, right? Because 1 plus 1 is 2. So in here we can eliminate this, and then we can eliminate this dt. So we have the integrals of 2t over 1 plus t square dt, right? 2t dt over 1 plus t square. So in here we can substitute u, it is equal to 1 plus t square. So we can get the du over dt, it is equal to 2t. So we have the dt, it is equal to du over 2. In here we can substitute the integrals of 2t dt, it is equal to du. So the integrals of du over 1 plus t square, it is equal to u. So we can make the integral of 1 over u du, it is equal to ln u plus c, right? We can continue with make the ln u, it is equal to 1 plus t square plus c. And then back to ln, because this is half with t in here, it is equal to tangent x over 2. So we can make the 1 plus tangent x over 2. Because this is square, we can get the square plus c. So this is the result. For the next is we have the integral of dx over 1 plus sinus x minus cos x. And in here we can use the substituting t. It is equal to tangent x over 2. And we have the sinus x, it is equal to 2t over 1 plus t square. And we have the cos x, it is equal to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. And then if we have the dx, it is equal to 2 over 1 plus t square dt. So we can use this formula. Back to in here, so we can have the dx, it is equal to the integrals of 2 over 1 plus t square. And then we have the dt over 1 plus sinus, it is equal to 2t over 1 plus t square. And then minus cos x, it is equal to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square, right? So we can continue with this to the integrals of 2 over 1 plus t square dt. And then for the denominator we can sum with the 1 plus t square. This is, so we can get the with times in here, so we can get the 1 plus t square. And then we have the plus 2t. And then we have the negative 1 plus t square in here. So we have the integrals. We know that it is 1 plus t square, it is 1 plus t square. So we can only get the 2 over. This is, we have the 2t. T square and t square is, we have the 2t square. We have the 2t. And then this is, we can 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have the dt. And then we can continue 2 over 2t t plus 1, right? dt. So we can eliminate 2, so we can get the 1 over t plus 1 dt. So from here we can use the method of the partial fraction. We have the 1 over t plus 1. So it means that we have the a over t plus b over t plus 1. So it means that we can multiply a with t plus 1. So we have the at plus a times b. And then in here we have the bt times in here we have the bt over t plus 1. So from here we can get the a times a plus bt plus a over t plus 1. In here we have the a plus b, and then we can back to in here we have the only one. So a plus b, it is equal to 0, and a it is equal to 1. Because a is equal to 1, so it means that b it is equal to negative 1. So from here we can substitute in this form. A it is equal to 1, so it means that we have the 1 over t. And then b it is negative 1, so it means that it is negative 1 over t plus 1, right? So we can integrate it, then integrate this. We have the dt, and we have the dt in here. And then let's continue. For the integrate 1 over t, it is equal to ln t. And then we have the negative. The integral of this is ln t plus 1 plus c, right? So from here we can substitute back, and like this we have the t is tangent x over 2. So we can get the ln t it is equal to tangent x over 2 minus ln t is tangent x over 2 plus 1 plus c. So we have the ln of tangent over tangent x over 2 plus 1 plus c.